Alright, so I just want to apologize to everyone who's been waiting for a follow-up video. Basically, the taillights came to me defective, and I tried to give the seller about a week to make it right, but it didn't look like they were going to. So I ordered a whole new set, and it just came in today. I was going to use that as an opportunity to do a install video, but unfortunately, I recorded all these footage earlier today. It's about 9 o'clock right now. I got off work about 5, and I've been working on this taillight since. And I was recording, got some good angles, did all my explanations, and when I tried to upload those videos, I realized that the files became corrupted because I took the SD card out of the camera without turning off the camera first, and that's what I think I did wrong. So all those footage are gone. The new taillights have already been installed. I already packaged up the old ones and all that too. So I apologize for that if you were looking forward to doing the install video, but it is super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, just ask me down below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the functionality of these headlights, and we'll talk about it some more, all right? Alright, so I'm not going to leave y'all hanging. I'm going to try to explain to you how I installed these taillights. Super easy, definitely plug and play. We're going to start with the driver's side taillight first. Well, both of them are the exact same thing. So there are these wing nuts, or whatever you call it, down here. Probably can't see it because it's dark. Yeah, you can't see that side either. But it's just right here. There's one on the outside, and once you open the cover, there's another one where you twist both of it off. There's two total. After that, you just need to unplug the power and then pull this out, but make sure you pull out this flap too, okay? That's the exact same thing on the other side, and you should be able to just pull this out pretty easily and call it good, and that's for OEM ones. These do, well, here, let's go up with the center console real quick and talk about how to take this off. So basically, this is held together with 4 of these wing nuts. This tab right here. There is plastic covers. Once you take off the plastic cover right here, there's a screw that goes this way. Unscrew it on that side too. And once you remove these 4 and that, you should be able to just pull this off. It's a little tough at first, but you know, once it pops out, it just comes out. So that's how you take them out. The only difference when you put these back on is that you will have to remove this plastic piece from your OEM ones, okay? And yeah, it's pretty easy. It's like 8 screws or something like that, but you switch it back onto this one and make sure everything sits flush, because they will sit flush. The wires that I thought would give me problems, the one that you have to splice or whatever, is actually to this door release, so the trunk door release. And to wire that, you know, the black wire is the negative, and the other color, whatever it is, yellow, is the positive. So just match the wires and it should work. Mine works right now. So once you hook those up together, all I did was use a wire splitter or whatever you call those, and strip the end of them, and then tie them together, and then put electrical tape around them, so if it gets wet, it'll do less damage. But that's what I did to wire the trunk release. These, because they're running lights, there are these extra wires that comes out. So I unhook some of the panels, ran the wire through here, up through the power hole up here. Same thing on the other side. So it's just running out there, connect to the back. And that's basically it to, putting them on, installing it. Super easy, like I said. Didn't give me any kind of issues. Only problem was that the driver side didn't work with the first set. So that's why I'm returning that, and I have this new set now. Alright, so I definitely feel like these taillights are worth the money overall. For under $700, you can get these, which look great and actually fit flush compared to OEM Mopar parts or taillights, which is going to cost you over $1,000. So definitely would do it again. I didn't have any issues with it besides, I have to buy a whole new set because the first one's defective. I would, warn you guys about which seller you're going to buy it from, because the seller I bought it from tried to play me a little bit. So I'll do a separate video over that and my experience with buying these taillights. So be on the lookout for that video. I hope this video helped you guys determine if you're going to buy it or not. Please, if you like the video, actually comment and like it. If you have any questions over the taillights itself or the install process, just leave me a comment. I'll explain it to you in there if I can. So if you're interested in any of my other mods for my Challenger, definitely follow me on Instagram, because you'll see a picture prior to a video ever being uploaded. On top of that, I have a lot planned for my Challenger. I have plans to change out the spoiler, my hood, which I'm going to make a video over. It's already been changed, so that's probably the next video. One of the biggest changes I'm probably going to do is the color of the Challenger, so that's going to be a pretty good video, I think. I think I'm at like 18 subscribers right now, which is great because I can see it steadily going up each video I'm uploading, so I really appreciate it. And I would really appreciate it if you guys, click that subscribe button too. And see you in the next one.